GoalSeek is a feature that lets you have Excel answer questions that may otherwise involve trial and error or making complex calculations to answer. Let's consider this worksheet which calculates the payments on a loan. So if you were to borrow $250,000 at 4% interest on a mortgage that required you to pay regular payments of principal and interest, and if you made payments monthly over 25 years, you could expect to be making payments of around $1,320 per month. This calculation is made using Excel's PMT function. And what we have here in front of us is a simple spreadsheet model. We could change any of the values in any of these four cells here, and Excel will recalculate our payment amount. Now, if we were loan consultants, we might say that this is all very well, but our client could make larger payments. They say they could pay $1,500 a month. Now, we can't just put $1,500 in this cell here because this is the cell that contains the formula. It wouldn't give us the desired result. We would have to build another spreadsheet model to work out, for example, how much time it would take to repay the loan if the borrower could pay more. Or we could try and guess at different values for the term in years and see what the result was and try and get something that would get us close to $1,500. This is what I call brute force calculation. You force values in here and check to see if you get the right result. And in fact, Excel GoalSeek is going to do exactly that for us. It's just that Excel is a whole lot faster at doing it than we are ourselves. Let's see how we'd use Excel GoalSeek to solve this problem. I'm going to click the Data tab on the ribbon here and choose What If Analysis, and then GoalSeek. In this GoalSeek dialog, we have to tell Excel what cell we want the result to be in and what the result is supposed to be and which cell it can change. So the set cell is going to be this one here, B7. And the value we want to see in cell B7 is 1500, so I'll type that there. And the answer that we want is how many years will it take us to repay the loan if we can pay this larger amount. So the cell that Excel can change is this one here. I'll click in this dialog and then click here to select that cell. And when I click OK, Excel gives us the result. It would take us 20.31 years to repay this loan if we were able to pay $1,500 a month. The GoalSeek feature here lets us take this spreadsheet model and tell Excel the answer that we want from the function and the cell that it can change to get the desired result. It then does just exactly as we would do, and by sheer brute force, it tests different values until it finds one that gives us the answer we're looking for. It saved us doing all that trial and error work ourselves, or from needing to write a different spreadsheet model to find the term in years given the principal, interest rate and monthly payments. Now, if we're happy with these values and we want to use these in our new spreadsheet here, we can just click OK to add them.